In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a Citi credit card online. To do this, go to citi.com and then just gonna click credit cards right here. And then what I would do is click view all credit cards. Now from there, you have a bunch of credit cards that you can get, and every one of them is different. So just gonna do some research into which one you want to get. For example, you have some for American Airlines right here. You have the double cash card. You can kind of see what it does here. For example, the double cash card gets you $200 cash back after qualifying purchases. Now, for example, I'll go with the most popular card, which is the Simplicity credit card. So from there, go and click on Apply Now, and that will redirect you to the application page. From here, enter your personal information, whether you are a US citizen or not, your address, phone, and email, and then from here you can go and read all of this and agree with whatever you want to agree with. You can see the annual rate right here. So currently it's between 18.24 and 28.99%, which is quite high. So if you do want to do this, then you can go and open it. So just read through all of this and check the boxes if you agree. And after doing that, click agree and submit. Then they will go through your application. And if you are approved, then you will get an email and you can then use the Citi credit card that you applied for. So that's how to apply for a Citi credit card online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.